Uh, alright. Friday. Ugh, nice Friday. Oh, it's the Egg Festival. Man, if they weren't cheaters, I'd be interested in doing it. I might... Oh, shoot. I can't spend money. Okay, so I'm gonna buy a lot of strawberries. Man, tomorrow's... It might be like a... Man, that sucks, actually. Now, how's the day? Extra luck, cool. Okay. Oh, what? Oh no! Oh, that's not today then. We can put those away. That sucks. I guess we're not, yeah, we're not just not gonna go to the bundles then. That's fine. Not a huge deal. Man, that sucks though. But we did get our tulip. We do need the tulip. Here's another bundle. And here we go, a bunch of potatoes. And some parsnips. Man, I should actually go still buy some potatoes. Oh, 500 bucks. Thank you, Mom. And Egg Festival, yeah. Okay, I know we'll make some money tomorrow. Man. Man. That's... Oh... that just sucks, you know? I just want the cauliflower to be done. I just want it to be done. But it's whatevs. It happens. Oh, actually, No, see, the problem is, when I leave, it becomes 10 o'clock. Like, so I can't go to the mines. Like, I can go to the mines... hold on. It happens between what? 2 p.m. The problem is I don't have the... Okay, so I think in order for me to get the most out of my time, as long as I head in by 2 p.m., we'll probably just clear out more of the farm. I think that'll be the plan. I should have some of these dates remembered. Okay. Alright, but it's Friday. We gotta go. We're gonna go buy some potatoes. We're just gonna be a potato farmer. Just like the good old Mainers. Back before Idaho took it from... Took the name. Alright. First things, let's go down to Traveling Merch, see what she's got. See what, I think her name is Suki. See what, oh, looked away, sorry. See what Suki has. And then we'll go to Clint's. Battery pack, don't need honey. Oh, large goat milk. Very roast. Oh my god, dude. Just giving me all the stuff that I like. Oh, that sucks. Wait, actually, I don't think I need large goat milk. I think I'm kind of, okay. Oop, gonna hear some noise, sorry. I have my notepad right here. Paper, hear that? That's real paper. Time pause, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, no, so I'm mistaken. I don't need all of it. I don't need the large goat milk. What I do need... I do need honey for the... I am gonna need honey for the thing. I do need summer spangled. That saved me a flower to grow, but that's also not a huge deal. It's also way too expensive, and I'm not gonna be able to finish it now anyways. Tulip we already got. Yeah, no, we're good. We don't need any of this. We don't need any of it. Nothing we can't wait for, and nothing that I'm gonna be able to finish now anyways. For one reason or another. Man, I want to go see Willie. I'm gonna be moving the mic, sorry. I kind of need to. I should have done it sooner, but I'm not a good sort of streamer, or I don't want to say YouTuber, because that doesn't sound right. It sounds icky when I say it, you know? I'm supposed to go buy potatoes, but I'm checking his shop. I gotta make sure I give myself enough time. I can't use it. You have the iridium rod. It's 7,500. I can make that if I spend like a full day eating salad and fishing at the lake. I can make a lot of money, or at least I can make. No, I'm gonna say it. I could make a lot of money. And as tempting as that is, that's not gonna be fun. But this is also gonna be the last one. This is I mentioned yesterday that I'm recording these in batches, and this is the last one. Unlucky. Unlucky. No, Cole's fine. Man, okay. Man, okay, nothing. Something. I hope that's new. It is. Man, only one artifact. That's kind of lame. How much? Curious. 150. Okay. 150. Okay. So it's 750 if I want to finish that. Alright, donate this. Alright, got a reward. What do you got for me? Oh, star fruit. Is that for summer, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh boy. So I where am I going? Like I said, I need that butterfish. I need the butterfish. Man, I hope I'm able to get it. Man, I'm hoping maybe I just want one. That'd make my life awesome. I would feel so good about that. Don't focus on the chest. If you get the chest, it's good, but okay, we got the chest. I'm getting played. Oh shit! I didn't mean to get, like, I wasn't I'm trying to justify it on the chest. Damn, alright. Oh. Alright. We can get it. I have no doubt in my mind I can catch this goddamn fish. Gotta remember, it could also be a puppy fish. That exists if you haven't seen that. Sorry. Butterfish. There it is! There's the cute little guy. Alright, nice. Alright. Oh, I like the bounce. That was nice. Alright, we got one. I'm happy about that. Oh, shoot. I need to... Okay, we got the one. I forgot all about the potatoes. I really need to go get those potato seeds. Dummy. Like, I need to grow some more. We need more farming levels. Because I need preserve jars, yeah. Sorry. Words are tough. Yeah, but we need those jars. Okay. I'm just grabbing potatoes because it can give us more. Alright. I'm happy about that, because I can go catch fish. Alright, let's go to the ocean. Let's go to the ocean, catch some fish. I'm happy with the one butterfish. I don't think my skill level is good enough for it right now. Oh, that disappeared already. You know, actually, let's go down to Sophia's little corner. I like this area. I like this little area. Alright, so we'll probably fish here until 8. We'll fish here until 8, and then we'll go plant the rest of those potato seeds. Got a chest. Oh, thank you for going up. I really appreciate you going up, because I don't think I would have got that. I need to slow it down better. What do we get? Hey, more gold ore. Need to grab something. Making noise, sorry. Like I said, a lot of this might be scuffed, and that's okay. What I'm gonna eat. I feel like every time I'm finishing a recording session or a stream, I'm just fucking hungry. Wonder what I'm gonna eat. As tempting as it would to have my other stuffed crust pizza, I already had my first. I had my other one earlier, or had one today already. I can't reach that. What is that? Can't reach it. Oh, maybe if I'm up top. Be insane cast. No, I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Oh, I think I still have some Dominoes left over. I might have some of that. That sounds nice. My cat's sneezing. Oh. You got another one in you? Breaking records. Sneeze. Sneeze. Okay, there's another one. It's coming up on that time. A few more hours. Not quite yet. Uh-oh. 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 Alright. The cat wants to leave. She's the boss. Come on. Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Okay. Oop. Yep. Just so we can catch a couple more fish. Couple more fish. Man, I really hope the cauliflower is done tomorrow. I really hope it is. Alright, we'll actually head back. No. We'll catch a couple more. Oh, I messed up the perfect chest. Whoops. I'll take the bait. Nice. Alright, good enough for me. Let's head back. I want to make sure I still have energy enough to farm. Basically plant these potatoes. Okay. Nice quiet Friday. We got our butterfish. I hope the pond's ready tomorrow as well. That'd be awesome. It'd be amazing. And the cauliflower. Oh boy. So it's gonna be the egg festival. Man. I have a feeling I'm probably gonna end up doing it. Just two more. Ah, rip. Okay. You. Alright, that's all done. Anchovy. You. Everything else can stay. Throw you on the chest. Boom, boom, boom. And boom. Since we still have a little bit of time. Let's clear out a little bit more of the farm. Get some more wood, some more stone. I want to clear this out. I want this for like the chickens and stuff. I should maybe we should work on getting a silo. Oh god, I really hope I don't. Man. I really want the strawberries. I guess mainly we just want stone too. I feel like it'd be lame to skip the... Like, it's gonna be obviously lame to skip the egg festival. But I don't have fun doing it. We got geodes, that's cool. So I don't think I'm going to. So sorry about that. We might just go mining. Well, no, we won't, because we still need to. I still want the strawberries. So it might be a farm clearing day tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But until then, let's go find out what we got. Man. All right. Not okay. Cool. I'm happy about that. So. Yeah, tomorrow, egg festival, strawberries. I don't know, man. I don't know. I might just. Do I need the strawberries? Like, thinking about it, it's like I'm not gonna be able to plant them until next season, or if I get the greenhouse. Are they that worth it to me? You know what? How about we'll just go mining tomorrow. I think that sounds good. But until then, take care, stay safe, and I hope to see you then. See ya.